Hello everyone, happy to use some changes from their previous versions where we see how can we install Windows 11 Virtual Machine on Workstation Pro 17. So let's start. First of all, click on Create New Virtual Machine. Then there you see Typical and Customs. Here you see the new version of Workstation 17. We will choose 17. Next, here you will see Installation from ISO file. We will browse for our Windows 11's ISO image we selected, and open. You will see below it has detected Windows 11 x64-bit versions, then click Next. We will rename the name of Virtual Machine as Windows 11 Pro, as well as we will change the locations of our Virtual Machine file to a different folder. And click Next. Here is the main changes have done in version 17. You can select all the files, but here we select only the files for supporting of TPM, and encrypted password must be applicable here. Without this password you can't continue, so give a password and click Next. Select attitude as it is UEFI. Select attitude as it is. Here we change the memory to 8 GB. Here you can use the NAT network or Breeze networking. We will select the NAT network. Keep all the settings on recommended. It should be NVMe as it is recommended. Create a new virtual disk. We will select the Store Virtual Disk as a single file and disk size to 80 GB. Keep as it is. Here is all used to finish our settings. You can power up the virtual machine by selecting Power On. Click Finish. Otherwise you can unselect the Power On and finish to power on it later. But we will select it Power On and Finish. Windows setup will launch. As we all know how to do it, I fast forward the process for now. And the Windows is ready now. But the problem is when you maximized or full screen the window, it not cover the full area, you see the gap. To resolve it, we need to install VM tools. Go to VM and install VM tools. Go to this PC and it appear as DVD image on DVD drive. Double-click on it and install. You can reboot, but I am not doing it. See it solved. Have a nice day.